Everyone, in today's video I'm going to give you a comparison between moomoo and public. So moomoo has better scores of basically customer reviews and has a more better popularity. And the one thing that wins me over every time of moomoo is their excellent customer service. That is a 10 out of 10. They do the research on their problems, figure out the solutions, and help you till your problem is solved and not ghost you, unlike other applications. So they have a research score, but something that is a bad thing of moomoo is the deposit and withdrawal score. And one thing is that moomoo has been recommended for people who are starting for beginners and equity. And one thing of moomoo that I don't like is their charges of deposits that you do on different types of forex and different types of ETFs. So yeah, this is a comparison between the two. So if you're on a budget, I would recommend public because they're almost the same, but the feature or the different comes in the customer service score that I personally love about moomoo. So yeah, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.